You searched for how to buy shares of TTL Beteiligungs und Grundbesitz AG, so this short guide will show the practical steps. TTL Beteiligungs und Grundbesitz AG is a German property investment and holding company listed on Xetra under the ticker TTO.de, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To complete a purchase, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TTO.de to find the correct listing. Confirm the company name and exchange to make sure you have the right stock. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to see recent trading activity. Double-check that the listing shows TTL Beteiligungs und Grundbesitz AG on Xetra before you proceed. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed as specified. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to explore the platform further.